Hello, once again, my name is Kwanza Abedu Meshak. I'm a data analyst. Specifically, I work as a data analyst in the procurement department. I help the procurement department analyze our cost savings and whether the department is making cost is saving cost, or we are going beyond the budget that is given. That means we are losing out, or if whether we are breaking even. So yes, and once again, I want to welcome you all for being here. I want to say thank you for following this channel, and thank you for being here with me today. And so in this session, we are going to look at Power BI. Like I said in my previous videos, that we are going to mainly focusing on Power BI, Excel, and then SQL. All right, and we are beginning with Power BI. We are starting this channel looking at Power BI as the first tool. All right, and so yeah, so my screen, Power BI, and this is our data set that we are going to be using initially. So yeah, this is what the data set looks like. All right, so this will be working on, and so we are, like I said, we are going to starting gradually. So Power BI, there are some things that we'll be looking at. We'll be looking at some DAX functions. One, we'll be looking at how to use the right visualizations, or how to select the right visuals to use. Yeah, and then we are going to be starting off with how to create some appealing visuals as well. And so we'll be looking at some of the visuals, how to format them, how to create them, how to select them, how to make them juicy. And then we are also going to be looking at the background, how to prepare the background, either in Power BI or PPT, that's PowerPoint. All right, and so whichever one that works for you when it comes to the background. Some people do prefer using creating a background with PowerPoint. Some just would like to dive deep, who just want to delve into Power BI and then use the background of Power BI chooses for them. That's also fine. There's also the option of using pictures, so as a background. So these are things that we are going to be looking at. So DAX functions, how to create visuals, how to import, into Power BI, import our data set into Power BI, how to claim data using Power Query in Power BI, background preparations, either in Power BI or using PowerPoint, and then our visualizations, how to create a compelling visuals and then make it appealing, make our visuals appealing. So these are the things that we are going to be looking at. And so, like I said, let's say we want to go back to, so yeah, that's what, forgive me, that's what we are going to be looking at in Power BI for now. And as time goes on, we shall be adding new things to our lessons. All right, so we'll be some at the point we'll be looking at modeling, modeling, that is here. So we look at modeling and so on and so forth. So as the channel grows, matures, like I said, we're moving on from the basic to some more intermediate level activities, and then probably to some more advanced activities. And so that's the hierarchy. That's what we are going to do. We are just going following gradually, and not just jump from one to third. We don't want to confuse anyone over here. And so yeah, and so as I said before, this is going to be the data set that we'll be using. I might probably just drop it down the link below. Yeah, I might probably drop it down the link below so that we can all follow us. So this is called a fitness membership. Yeah, this is from the Onyx Data DNA Challenge for the month of August 2025. All right, so this will be using as practice. This in this channel for now, and then at the end of every session there's probably going to be a mini project, and then